Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Well, today we're going to do a range test with the Mini 4 Pro across Caldicot Lake. So let's set up and get it up. So here we are. As you can see, I'm filming in 4K at 60 frames a second. I'm not using any ND filters on this.
Home point updated.
It's just a standard lens. Now what we're going to do is do a range test across Caldicot Lake, which is where I'll do a lot of my range tests. In case there's a problem, it's going to fall straight into the lake and not damage or injure anybody or anything. So anyway, here we go. Now I'm down in Simpson Park, and then we're going to take this drone out and see how far we can get before we start losing the signal. Absolutely beautiful day. I think there's about 4 or 5 mile an hour winds, hardly any gusts. So we're just going to get in position over the lake. And I'm going to swing it around to the right a bit and then head straight across that lake and see how we got on. This is actually 2 tests. It is a range test, but it's also a position landing test. So once I get as far as I can get, I'm just going to press the return to home button and see how well the drone does on its position landing. So here we go, almost halfway across the lake onto the southern lake. Like I said, there's no ND filters on this whatsoever. This is just using the plane straight from the camera. But like I say, you can see there is, if you look at the compass to the bottom left, you can see there is a little bit of a breeze. You can tell by the horizon, but the drone is handling it quite well. This is my first range test with this drone. I will be doing some more, but this is a good location. So like I say, we're doing quite well here. So we're almost coming up to a mile. Here we go, a mile out there, yeah. So we're going to keep going. Nice strong signal. I don't have a proper clear line of sight because there is some low trees just in front of me, but we're doing quite well here. Just going to keep going till we lose that signal. Looks like a bit of flooding over there in them fields. Oh, now we're losing signal here because of the low level trees just in front of me. So we come up to 1.3 miles. So I feel what we're going to do is do return to home there, 1.3 miles. We're going to swing it around, head back round. I'm not going to bore you with coming all the way back home. So here we are, we're coming in for a landing. This is exactly where I took off from on my landing pad. I'm going to see how well this lands on that landing pad. And it's looking quite good. Oh yes, absolutely brilliant. Anyway, thanks for watching. Hope to see you in the next one. Tally-o!